Alright, well it's day 2 and we're going to catch a cable car down to somewhere, who knows. But it should be exciting, hopefully some good views as well. Okay, well there's the 20th Century Fox theme park. It was supposed to be completed last year. That's Malaysia for you. But it looks impressive, doesn't it? Wow. Come across here. Ooh. Hi. It's very misty and cloudy up here today. We're going to be heading down into those clouds soon. Oh, into the mist. Oh, it's scary. Oh, there's Santa Claus. Look at them bounce up and down. Oh, look at that forest. Where's the monkeys? Right, well we stopped halfway and we're going to go down to this temple down here. Oh yeah! Let's go. Alright, well here's the temple. Looks pretty cool. But I found these stairs here with moss on the side. And I do love moss. So let's see what's up here. Oh, it looks like the workers' lunchroom. Ah, well. Oh, look at this bird. Is this a mini golf course or something? Oh.
Oh, monkey. And a monk.
Monkey magic. Look at these wooden things here. It's like concrete. Monkey magic, ooh. Whew. Wow, monkey gods. Oh, there's the supreme monkey god. Looking cozy. Oh, I love being in the mountains. Is there anything better? I don't think so. Look at this jungle. It's just incredible. You feel so small when you're here, and look at the cars compared to these mountains. They're like minute. There's a beautiful temple here. It's got lots of gods. Got this beautiful temple here. You got the smell of, what is it called? Smell of?
Joysticks.
Joysticks. Joss sticks in the air. Got this big statue here. This is much better than sitting in a casino watching wheels spinning around, that's for sure. Wow, that mist rolling in over the roof. Right, well here are some of the joss sticks. But have a look, they're just a continuous coil that's burning. I mean, why don't we have mosquito coils like this? How awesome is that? And here's inside the temple. Wow, this is really cool. Feels like I've stepped back 2,000 years. So here's some holy water. But I'll tell you what, this place is just so impressive. Like, it's built into the cliff, and the amount of logistics and engineering that would have taken to build this thing is just incredible. Look at this carp pond. There's some beauties down there. And over this side, there's a turtle pond. It's full of turtles.
Look at that one.
This one's the coolest one of all. Wow, this is so cool. I'm so glad we stopped off here. And look, it just keeps going down as well. It's so many layers. We caught a lift down here. But look at that view. All the way to the valley below. How's this for an incense stick? Look at the size of it. Bernice tells me the Chinese love burning stuff, which is why you see stuff being burnt everywhere. This is a turtle conga line.
Oh, chào.
So they do that because the sound of it is supposed to scare away the bad luck. Tell you what, it scared away my hearing, because I'm as deaf as a doornail now. Birdman. Love these old temples. And there's a hotel that we're staying at right up there. Man, this is awesome, this place. Well worth a visit if you're ever around. Just a quick gondola ride down. Here we go. Let's go on our journey to enlightenment. Just wish someone was selling a nice big fat something. Right, we're at the wishing pond. Got myself 3 cents. Let's do this. Done. Man, this is awesome. So there's all these statues depicting the 18 levels of hell in Chinese belief. So now I'm climbing the stairway to hell. But yeah, it's all like torturous stuff and quite gruesome things to teach kids morals, apparently. But I thought I'd come up here because I reckon this is probably as close as jungle as I'm going to get to while I'm here. Let's suss it out. See if there's a monkey or a snake or something. I know there's a spider's web because I just walked through it. Oh, there's another one right in my face. Oh shit! That tile was loose. Yay, I'm in the jungle! Woohoo! And it feels so good. Too bad about that generator. This is just gorgeous. Free massage? Ah, damn it. Just my luck. Tell them that there's a free massage and I don't get one. Look at the stairwells through the caves. This is what I'm talking about. Oh. Go there. Go down there. Which way do you want to go, Bernice? Let's just go down here for a bit. Oh yeah, this takes us to that path where we had to get back up to the train station. I mean the, what's that thing called? Gondola. Alright, how about we head off to our next destination. Where will that be? Who knows? But let's go there. Now the gondola station's right up here, a couple of 100 meters, but don't worry because there's escalators, oops, all the way up. Right, so now we're going down to this shopping complex. Hopefully get some lunch. Rightio, it's lunchtime and we've got like a mushroom melt burger, some curly fries and a drink, overlooking this beautiful countryside and a mosque. Rightio, time to do some outlet shopping or browsing. So Bernice has bought something. Look at the size of that bag. Open it up, show us what you bought. A coffee cup. Look at the bag they gave it to her in. Alright, we're at Kenny Rogers. They do a roast chicken. Oh, I'm going to try some for the first time. Or fried chicken, same thing. Smells okay. Good.
Baby?
Kind of KFC-ish, but not quite there. Still pretty good. So that chicken's actually air fried, not deep fried. And I was just saying, damn, I wish it was greasy and oilier. Guess just what you're accustomed to. Rightio, well, back up the mountain to the hotel we go. Back to the hellhole, which is this casino. I've got to go and buy some shirts because I ran out. There's a place here that's selling 3 for $10. So let's go there. This is a cool cafe. It's perched on top of like stilts. How to trigger a lefty? Wear this shirt. Rightio, well I'm going to wear my new Mickey Mouse shirt to dinner. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.